Welcome to Learn English with Stories Daily. Today is English listening practice for beginners. You will learn 10 useful words for buying clothes and then go shopping with Sarah for a warm coat. Stay to the end for the quiz. Let us begin. If you do not understand every word, do not worry. You can listen many times. The more you listen, the more English you will learn. Are you ready? Let us start with our 10 words. Clothes. Clothes are the things we wear, like shirts and trousers. For example, Sarah looks at the warm clothes in the shop. Repeat after me. Clothes, clothes. Size. Your size tells you if clothes are big or small for you. For example, Sarah's size is medium. Repeat after me. Size, size. Fitting room. A fitting room is a small room where you try on clothes. For example, Sarah goes into the fitting room. Repeat after me. Fitting room, fitting room. Color. Red, blue, and green are colors. For example, Sarah likes the color blue. Repeat after me. Color, color. Coat. A coat is warm clothing you wear when it is cold. For example, Sarah needs a warm coat. Repeat after me. Coat, coat. Try on. When you try on clothes, you put them on to see if they fit. For example, she wants to try on the blue coat. Repeat after me. Try on. Try on. Mirror. A mirror shows you your own picture. For example, Sarah looks at herself in the mirror. Repeat after me. Mirror, mirror. Expensive. Expensive means it costs a lot of money. For example, the coat is a little expensive. Repeat after me. Expensive, expensive. Cheap. Cheap means it does not cost money. For example, the small hat is very cheap. Repeat after me. Cheap, cheap. Pay. When you pay, you give money for something. For example, Sarah pays with her card. Repeat after me. Pay, pay. Well done. You have learned 10 new words. Now, let us listen to today's story. It is a cold morning in London. The wind is strong. Sarah is cold. She needs a warm coat. She goes to a big clothes shop. Inside, it is warm and bright. There are many clothes in many colors. A friendly worker comes to help her. Good morning. Can I help you? Yes, please, says Sarah. I am looking for a warm coat. What size are you? Asks the worker. I think I am a medium, says Sarah. The worker shows her a beautiful blue coat. Sarah likes the color very much. It is lovely, says Sarah. Can I try it on? Of course, says the worker. The fitting room is over there. Sarah goes into the fitting room. She tries on the blue coat. She looks in the mirror. Oh, she says softly, it is too big. She comes out and asks for a smaller size. The worker smiles and brings a smaller coat. Sarah tries it on again. She looks in the mirror one more time. This time it fits perfectly. It is beautiful, says Sarah. How much is it? It is 50 pounds, says the worker. Sarah thinks for a moment. That is a little expensive, but it is very warm and it is good quality. Near the door, she sees a small hat. This hat is cheap, she says. Only 3 pounds. I will take it too. She decides to buy the coat and the hat. She walks to the counter and pays with her card. Thank you, says the worker. Stay warm. Sarah puts on her new coat and her new hat. She walks outside. Now she is warm and happy. If you are enjoying the story, tell me in the comments. What is your favorite color? Now, let us listen again slowly. It is a cold day in London. Sarah needs a warm coat. She goes to a clothes shop. A worker helps her. Sarah's size is medium. She likes a blue coat. She tries it on in the fitting room. She looks in the mirror. The first coat is too big. She tries a smaller size. This time it fits. The coat is a little expensive. The small hat is cheap. Sarah pays with her card. Now she is happy and warm. Now let us practice speaking. I will say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Ready? I am looking for a warm coat. I am looking for a warm coat. What size are you? What size are you? I like the color blue. I like the color blue. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? The fitting room is over there. The fitting room is over there. This coat is too big. This coat is too big. It is a little expensive. It is a little expensive. I will pay with my card. I will pay with my card. Excellent! Your speaking is getting better every day. Let us remember our 10 words. Clothes, the things we wear. Size, big or small. Fitting room, where you try on clothes. Color, red, blue, green. Coat, warm clothing. Try on, put on to see if it fits. Mirror, it shows your picture. Expensive, costs a lot. Cheap, does not cost much. Pay, give money. Well done. Now let us check your understanding. Question number 1. Why did Sarah need a coat? Think about it. The answer is because it was cold. Question number 2. What color was the coat? Think about it. The answer is blue. Question number 3. Where did Sarah try on the coat? Think about it. The answer is in the fitting room. Question number 4. Was the first coat too big or too small? Think about it. The answer is too big. Question number 5. What cheap thing did Sarah also buy? Think about it. The answer is a small hat. Question number 6. How did Sarah pay? Think about it. The answer is with her card. How many did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Stories daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, small steps create big progress. Tomorrow, Sarah wakes up feeling sick and she visits the pharmacy. That is our next story. See you there.